start of April, the students of St. Paul University, Philippines had visited NEWPAGES Johor, Malaysia headquarters. Thank you to the arrangement of Omega Colleges. We've shared a lot of knowledge and experience about the IT industry. This includes how to run an IT company, the steps to building a website, how to protect against cyber threats, and how to improve our work with AI technology. Our discussions are designed to help everyone better understand these areas, whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional. Our goal is to show how modern technology can help us work more efficiently, keep our information safe, and provide better services to our customers. Thank you for coming all the way from Philippines.